Indonesia is an archipelago, which means contains of lots of islands. Address. So people usually think that address is just a number of a house or a name of a street. But I think address also tells about that we are part of something much bigger. You want to know more? This video will help you to find out about it. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to present about the cosmic address. Here is my cosmic address. So first I start with the little Reina here. I name it by myself here, Reina. And then I live in the sweet little home called Sukolilo. And then the Sukolilo is located in Surabaya City. And then the Surabaya is located in Java Island in the east here. And then this Java Island is located in Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago, which means it contains of lots of islands. And then this Indonesia is located in Asia. We live maybe around here. And then this Asia is located in Earth. There is the arrow here. And then Earth is also part of our solar system. And then the solar system is located in the galaxy. It's called the Milky Way. And then this Milky Way is located in the beautiful and gigantic universe. Here, there are so many sprinkle stars, so bright. That's all about my cosmic address. How about yours? Bye!